Hello students, let us continue exercise 11.2 mensurations. Question number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 6 cm and whose altitude is 4 cm. If one of its diagonal is 8 cm long, find the length of the other diagonal. Now first we draw a rhombus ABCD, given that side is 6 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter, and given one diagonal is 8 centimeter. Now for rhombus side equal to 6 centimeter, altitude equal to 4 centimeter, and diagonal equal to D1 equal to 8 centimeter. Diagonal is 8 centimeter. Now area of a rhombus equal to base multiply height. Base 6 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So write 6 into 4 centimeter square. 6 4 ja 24 centimeter square. According to question, area of a rhombus equal to 1 upon 2 multiply first diagonal into second diagonal. Write as 1 upon 2 multiply D1 multiply D2. D1 is first diagonal, D2 is second diagonal. Equal to area 24. Now 1 upon 2 multiply D1 is 8 centimeter. D1 is 8 multiply D2 equal to 24. Now reciprocal of 8 upon 2 is 2 upon 8. D2 equal to 24 multiply 2 upon 8. 2 1 ja 2. 2 4 ja 8. 4 1 ja 4. 4 6 ja 24. We get D2 equal to 6 centimeter. D2 is 6 centimeter. Hence, length of other diagonal of a rhombus is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonal are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Now for rhombus shaped tile, D1 45 centimeter, D1 45 centimeter, write as 45 upon 100 meter, and given D2 30 centimeter, write as 30 upon 100 meter. Area of one tile equal to area of rhombus equal to 1 upon 2 multiply D1 multiply D2. D1 means first diagonal multiply D2 means second diagonal. Shape of a tile is rhombus. So area of a rhombus is 1 upon 2 diagonal D1 multiply diagonal D2 equal to 1 upon 2 multiply D1 45 upon 100 multiply 30 upon 100. 0 0 cancel. 5 9 ja 45, 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 0. We get 9 3 ja 27 upon 20 2 ja 40, 40 multiply 10, we get 100. We get 400. 27 upon 400 meter square. Area of one tile is 27 upon 400 meter square. Now area of 3000 tiles equal to 3000 multiply 24 upon 400 meter square. 20 cancel. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. 15 multiply 27 upon 2 meter square. Now area of a floor equal to 405 upon 2 meter square. Floor of the building consists 3000 tiles. So area of floor is also 405 upon 2 meter square. Now rate of polishing equal to rupees 4 per meter square. Total cost of polishing the floor equal to rupees 4 multiplied total area 405.2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 405 multiplied 2 we get rupees 810. Hence the total cost of the polishing the floor equal to rupees 810. This is your answer. Now question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meters, find the length of the side along the river. This is your diagram. This is your road and this is your river. And this is the trapezium shaped field of Mohan. And distance between parallel side is 100 meter. And its side along the river is parallel to twice the side along the road. Let the side along the road is x, so along the river is 2x. Now we write A equal to x meter, B equal to twice of x, 2x meter. H equal to distance between parallel side is 100 meter given. If area of this field is 10,500 meters square, shape of the field is trapezium, so formula of area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 bracket A plus B into H equal to 10,500. 1 upon 2 bracket value of A is x plus value of B is 2x into value of H is 100 equal to 10,500. 1 upon 2 multiply 1x plus 2x 3x multiply 100 equal to 10,500. Now x is equal to 10,500 multiply 2 upon 3 multiply 100. 2 0 2 0 cancel. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15. 35 2 ja 70. 35 2 ja 70. 35 2 ja 70. Therefore breadth equal to 2x. B equal to 2x. B equal to 2x. So write 2 into 70. 2 into 70 140 meter. Hence length of the side along the river is 140 meter. This is your required answer. Now next try the find the total surface area of the following cuboids. L equal to 6 centimeter, breadth equal to 4 centimeter, height equal to 2 centimeter. Total surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL bracket close. 2 into value of L is 6, value of B is 4, 6 into 4 plus value of B is 4, value of H is 2 into 2 plus H is 2 into L is 6. 6 4 ja 24, 4 2 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 24, 44. 44 multiplied 2, we get 88 centimeter square. Hence total surface area of the cuboid is 88 centimeter square. Now next cuboid, L equal to 4 centimeter, breadth equal to 4 centimeter, height equal to 10 centimeter. So total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula of total surface area of cuboid. Now value of L is 4, value of B is 4, value of B is 4, value of H is 10 plus value of H is 10 into value of L is 4. 10 4 is 40, 10 4 is 40, 4 4 is 16, 40 plus 40 80, 80 plus 16 96, 96 2 is 192 centimeter square. This is your total surface area of a cuboid. Now next, surface area of a cube A. Now side of a cube A is 10 centimeter. Surface area of a cube A is 6 side square. 6 into side is 10. 10 square. 10 10 is 100. 10 10 is 100. 100 multiply 6, 600 centimeter square. Now next, lateral surface area of cube B. Lateral surface area of cube B. Side of a cube B is 8 centimeter. Lateral surface area of a cube B is 4 side square. Side area Formula of lateral surface area of cube B is 4 side square. 4 into side 8, 8 square. 8 8 is 64. 64 multiply 4, we get 256 centimeter square. Now next, find the total surface area of the following cylinder. Radius 14 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. So take radius equal to 14 centimeter, height equal to 8 centimeter, total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r bracket h plus r. 2 into value of pi 22 upon 7 into r 14 bracket h 8 plus r 14. 14 plus 8 22. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 22 2 ja 44, 2 ja 88, 88 multiply 22, we get 1936 centimeter square. This is your answer. Now next, diameter is 2 meter, so radius is 1 meter, h is 2 meter. Now diameter equal to 2 meter, radius is 1 meter, h is 2 meter. Total surface of cylinder, we get 132 upon 7 meter square. This is your answer. Now do exercise 11.3 in your fair notebook. Thank you.